my homemade peanut butter kahapon. It's my homemade peanut butter. See? Na. Parang nasa tindahan lang. It's so yummy pa. Tapos alam mo pa kung ano yung ilalagay mo. Lagyan natin ng saging. Char. Na, saging. Sarap.